The history of computers dates back several centuries, with many key innovations and discoveries leading to the development of modern computers. Here is a brief timeline of the major events in the history of computers. Abacus. The abacus, which was invented in China in the 2nd century BC, is often considered to be the first computing device. Slide rule. Invented in the early 1600s, the slide rule was an early analog computing device that allowed users to perform complex calculations using a series of sliding rulers. Mechanical calculators. The first mechanical calculator was invented in the 1600s by Wilhelm Schickard, but it was not until the 1800s that mechanical calculators became widespread. Analytical engine. In the 1830s, Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine, which was the first mechanical computer. Although it was never built, the design was a major step forward in the development of modern computers. Tabulating machine. In 1890, Hermann Hollerith invented the tabulating machine, which used punched cards to store and process data. This machine was used to process the 1890 U.S. Census. Electronic computers. The first electronic computer, called the Atanasoff-Berry computer, ABC, was built in the late 1930s. This was followed by the development of the Colossus, which was used to break German codes during World War II. ENIAC. In 1946, the electronic numerical integrator and computer ENIAC was built, which was the first general-purpose electronic computer. Transistors. In the 1950s, the invention of the transistor led to the development of smaller and more powerful computers. The first commercially successful transistorized computer was the IBM 1401, which was introduced in 1959. Integrated circuits. In the 1960s, the development of integrated circuits allowed for even smaller and more powerful computers. The first computer to use integrated circuits was the IBM System 360, which was introduced in 1964. Personal computers. In the 1970s and 1980s, the development of personal computers made computing accessible to individuals and small businesses. The first personal computer was the Altair 8800, which was introduced in 1975. Internet. In the 1990s, the development of the Internet revolutionized computing and communication. The World Wide Web was invented in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee, and by the mid-1990s, the Internet had become widely used for email, browsing, and other applications. Mobile computing. In the 2000s, the development of smartphones and tablets made computing even more accessible and portable. Today, mobile devices are the primary computing platform for many people around the world. Overall, the history of computers is a story of innovation and progress, with each new discovery and invention paving the way for new possibilities and opportunities.